మరోవైపు విద్యార్థులే దేశానికి ప్రగతి చక్రాలన్నారు మంత్రి కేటీఆర్. ధృవ మేనేజ్మెంట్ ఆఫ్ కాలేజ్ విద్యార్థులతో రాష్ట్ర ప్రభుత్వ సలహాదారు వివేక్తో కలిసి ముఖాముఖిలో పాల్గొన్నారు. దేశంలో విద్యార్థులే ఎక్కువగా ఉన్నారని, దేశాభివృద్ధిలో విద్యార్థులదే కీలక పాత్ర అని అన్నారు. ప్రభుత్వం సంక్షేమ పథకాలతో ముందుకు పోతుందన్నారు కేటీఆర్.
Talking to me before we started off this program, he said something which kind of struck me as, as a minister, as somebody in the government, when he said, being an entrepreneur is a curse in this country, I was a little taken aback. I honestly want to assure you through this forum, through this podium, I can't speak for the rest of the country, but I can speak for the state of Telangana. And I promise you that we will try and change that. We will try and alleviate as much as we can. We'll try and address as many concerns. And I do promise each and every one of you as well, you're all going to be management graduates from a very reputed college, a college that has been consistently rated as one of the top 10, one of the top 20 colleges in India, and something that is run by a passionate, he's not an entrepreneur. In fact, if you ask me, he's somebody who is absolutely, he's a teacher, he's somebody who actually found this out of passion and not really for making money. I'm sure he could have done plenty of other things. If money making was the only motive, then I'm sure he could have ventured into some other entrepreneurial idea, entrepreneurial venture. I'm sure he could have made more money than what he makes through Dhruva. But this is something that comes of passion. In fact, every single detail that I've seen here today on campus, be it your kitchen, be it your faculty areas, or be it your facilities, I think it clearly reflects the thinking of Dr. Pratap Reddy Garu in how much, and how much passion has gone into making this wonderful facility. So I do believe that you all have a wonderful future because of two things. One, if you look at the country, India is today one of the youngest countries in the world. In fact, we are possibly the youngest country in the world. The world is aging, but India is getting younger. You may ask me what I mean by that. What I mean by that is, if you look at the population of India, more than 50% of Indian population today is at the median age of, average age of 29, which makes us one of the youngest countries in the world. The second thing is, at one point of time in the past, say I think about 20-25 years ago, the large population of this country was considered a curse, a weight, a burden. But today, if you look at the world, and the kind of talented human resources we have to offer to the world, the kind of problem solvers, the kind of thinkers, the kind of enablers, the kind of doers that we offer to the world, makes us a country with a huge potential. India today is not just a large market for the world's entrepreneurs. India today is the seeding ground. India today is the hotbed for entrepreneurs, hotbed for thinkers, like I said, and really a country which the world looks at for its problems and for also finding solutions for its problems. India, if you look at it, is sitting on the cusp of breaking it into the big league. We are currently poised to definitely compete with the best in the world. We are certainly doing everything in our capacity. Honorable Chief Minister of Telangana in the last 2.5 years, Honorable Shri KCR Garu, has given enough reason for the rest of the country to rejoice. As a new state, we have not only been able to set benchmarks for the rest of the country, we've also made sure that we've modeled our state with a fine balance of welfare and development activities, which certainly make us a role model state in the country. Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi has also been championing and has also been advocating development, and has also been really promoting India as a country very, very well across the world as well. So I do believe that India definitely has a great future, and all of you all as management professionals, who are about to be management professionals that is, most certainly do have a bright future, and coming from a very reputed and a respectable college run by an academician like Dr. Pratap Reddy, Dhruva degree will definitely put you in good stead, and I am very, very hopeful with the kind of efforts Government of India is making, with the kind of efforts Government of Telangana is making, Telangana will also become a very, very prominent destination for a lot of investment. As you may already be aware, out of the top 5 most valued technology companies in the world today, 4 of them have chosen Hyderabad as their destination for their largest base outside of their headquarters, the United States. So in that same spirit, in that same tone, lot more investments are going to flow in, and I'm very, very confident that in days to come, not only Telangana, but our country will definitely break into the big league, will definitely make us all proud. And I wish you all the very best, and I wish the entire management team of Dhruva, including Dr. Pratap Reddy, all the very best. God bless. Good luck. Thank you so much for this opportunity.